So now I'm just layering skincare. Okay, so first I will put my hair all the way up and out of my face. It's a long day, but I must take off my makeup. So whatever kind of cleanser you use, you will try to thoroughly take off your makeup. So it could be foam cleanser, it could be double cleanse, anything. So I'm just gonna do a quick cleanse. Okay, so all the makeup is off. So right after cleansing, I always seem to have drier eyes, so I'll just put in some eye drops. It's great for tired eyes and keeping the eyes white and bright. Okay, next, the Ginger Kombucha Vitamin D Chill Mist from Glow Recipe, the Sweet Chef line. I put a lot on. And then I just let it set. It hydrates, it soothes. It's great for day or night. Then I move on to the Beet and Vitamin A Serum Shot. It refines pores and smooths rough skin. So what I'm doing now is I'm concocting 3 different products from the Sweet Chef line to create a very hydrating mix so I can get the maximum hydration. So now I'm just layering skincare. Next up is the Kaale and Vitamin B Serum Shot. It hydrates and soothes. So the combination of the beet and the kale so far we've concocted. Layering on serum. And you always want to make sure you bring the serum down to your neck. Next up, any eye cream that you prefer. I like to gently pat it on under, no rubbing in that sensitive area. Next up, the Superfood Vitamins Moisture Boost. Hydrates, soothes, and brightens from Glow Recipe's Sweet Chef line. And I put a very good amount, a very generous amount on my face. And I just like to use circular motions to really get my face circulating, the blood flowing, and again, down towards the neck. Next up, I have a lip balm. I put plenty on. I really like to feel hydrated before I sleep. And cuticle oil for my fingertips. And cuticle oil for my cuticles. Just want to really feel hydrated. And I like to close up with a little oil. This I like to do before or after the moisturizer. It depends on how heavy your moisturizer is. So the heavier it is, the further out it should be in your skincare. So this oil in particular is a little bit heavier than the moisturizer, so I will use that last and bring it down to my neck. And a little facial massage to close. So that's my night routine. Thanks for watching. Love and light.